a hobby.
Hello, fan community. Braxton here. So, what we got here today, I'm gonna go ahead and show before I turn them on, which I got permission. There's the 3 quick connects. One right there, and then the last one.
Thank you. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.
Yeah, you got suckers up there. So,
That one? Yep.
turn them on.
Together, hold these tapes real quick.
There you go.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I have mine.
They all work.
Let's play out that whole basket and
So,
hold them.
these are really cool. I like them. My friends like them, so I decided to make a video of them. I'm gonna leave them on for a short period of time, but they work though. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, have a great rest of your day, folks. Peace.